Hello all. Today we are going to learn the last topic of the unit number 1, vector differentiation. The last topic is vector identities. This is very important topic. So if phi is a scalar, any scalar point function. We suppose that phi is any scalar point function and u bar and v bar are any vectors. So keep in mind that phi is a scalar point function and u bar and v bar are vectors. Then the first identity is del dot phi u bar. Here phi is a scalar quantity, u bar is a vector quantity. So there is a usual multiplication between them. And phi u bar, this bracket quantity is a vector quantity. Del is also the vector quantity. So there is a dot between these two quantities. So del dot phi u bar, the first identity, is equals to del phi dot u bar plus phi in bracket del dot u bar. Note that del and u bar both are vector quantities, so there is a dot between them. So the first identity is del dot phi u bar is equals to del phi dot u bar plus phi into del dot u bar. Similarly, the second identity, just replace dot by cross. So second identity is del cross phi u bar. Again here del is a vector quantity, phi is a scalar quantity and u bar is a vector quantity. Now phi is a scalar, u bar is a vector, so there is a usual multiplication between them. And this bracket phi u bar is a vector quantity, there is a vector quantity, so there is a cross product in between them. Just note down that if there are two vector quantities, so the multiplication of these two vector quantities is either a dot product or a cross product. So here del cross phi u bar is equals to del phi cross u bar plus phi into bracket del cross u bar. Then third one, del dot u bar cross v bar. So u bar and u bar both are vector quantities and their cross product is also the vector quantity. So there is a dot between this vector del and this bracket vector. So del dot u bar cross v bar is equals to v bar dot del cross u bar minus u bar dot del cross v bar. Fourth one, del cross u bar cross v bar. So all cross are there. So the vector identity is u bar into bracket del dot v bar. Because del dot v bar is a scalar quantity, so u bar and this bracket there is usual multiplication. U bar in bracket del dot v bar minus u bar dot del into v bar. This fourth identity is also called vector triple product and third one is also called scalar triple product. Now the fourth identity can be written in terms of the three vectors a bar, b bar and c bar. So a bar cross b bar cross c bar, that can be written as a bar dot c bar into b bar minus b bar dot a bar into c bar. And the fifth number identity, del cross del phi is equals to 0. So these are the 5 identities. These are very important identities. By using these identities we have to solve different examples. So before solving different examples, we just note down the important things that we will learn in the previous lectures. So note, so we already learned that del r, value of del r is equals to r bar upon r. In the examples of gradient we already calculate this, del r is equals to r bar upon r. The second, that is del of f of r is equals to f dash of r into r bar upon r. That is already we proved this in the gradient examples. Del of f of r is equals to f dash of r into r bar upon r. Now we already proved the divergence of vector. So that time we put that value of del dot r bar is equals to 3. And when you prove curl of vector, that time we already proved the value of del cross r bar is equals to 0. So keep in mind that all these four terms, the value of del r is equals to r bar upon r, value of del of f of r is equals to f dash of r into r bar upon r, value of del dot r bar is equals to 3, and value of del cross r bar is equals to 0. Now the first example, show that f bar is equals to u bar cross v bar is solenoidal if vectors u bar and v bar are irrotational. Now it is given that u bar and v bar are irrotational. Now u bar and v bar are irrotational, that means value of del cross u bar is equals to 0 and value of del cross v bar is equals to 0. It is given. Now we have to show that f bar is solenoidal. To show f bar is solenoidal, that is to show del value of del dot f bar. Solenoidal means the del dot product del dot f bar is equals to 0. Now consider, to show this, consider LHS. LHS is equals to del dot f bar. This is equals to del dot value of f bar is u bar cross v bar. This is equals to, now del dot u bar cross v bar. We already learned the vector identity. So see the vector identity number 3. Value of del dot u bar cross v bar is v bar dot del cross u bar minus u bar dot del cross v bar. Using this vector identity, you will get v bar dot del cross u bar minus u bar dot del cross v bar. This is equals to, now we already written here value of del cross u bar is 0, so v bar into 0 minus u bar dot value of del cross v bar is also a 0 vector, so this is 0, that is equals to RHS. That means that is f bar is solenoidal, which is proved. Now next example, so the next example is, show that the value of del cross r cube into r bar is equals to 0. So consider LHS, it is equals to del cross r cube into r bar. Now we already learned the second vector identity. What is second vector identity? Del cross phi u bar is equals to del phi cross u bar plus phi into del cross u bar. By using this identity, we are going to prove this. Now see, we have to calculate del cross r cube into r bar. Now here r cube is a scalar quantity because there is no bar here. So r cube is a scalar quantity and this r bar is a vector quantity. That means r cube is a scalar function, we call it as a phi, and r bar is a vector quantity, it is u bar. So we can use this result or this vector identity to solve this. So using this vector identity, value of phi is equals to r cube and value of u bar is equals to r bar here. So is equals to del r cube cross r bar plus r cube into del cross r bar. This is equals to, now del r cube is there. So you already learned the formula of del of f of r. Del of f of r is f dash of r into r bar upon r. So using this formula, r cube, it is a function of r. So value of del r cube is f dash of r, that means derivative of r cube is 3r square into this r bar upon r. So into r bar upon r cross r bar as it is plus r cube into, we already learned that value of del cross r bar is 0. This is equals to, now this is 3r into r bar cross r bar plus 0. This is equals to 3r into, now value of r bar cross r bar, so cross product of same vector is 0. The value of cross product of same vector is 0. Note this step, value of since value of cross product of same vectors is 0. So this is equals to 0, that is RHS. So we proved that del cross R cube into R bar is equals to 0. That is the proof. Now next example, third example, show that del dot R raised to n into R bar is equals to n plus 3 into R raised to n. So consider LHS del dot R raised to n into R bar. So here R raised to n scalar quantity and R bar is a vector quantity. That means we have to use the result del dot R raised to n is scalar quantity, so here is phi, and R bar is vector quantity, so U bar. So you have to use this identity del dot phi U bar. What is the identity del dot phi U bar? It is del phi dot U bar plus phi into del dot U bar. So using this identity, here you will get del R raised to n dot R bar plus R raised to n into del dot R bar. Using the first vector identity, you will get this result. What is first vector identity? Del dot phi U bar is equals to del phi dot U bar plus phi into del dot U bar. So this is equals to, now del of R raised to n, we have the result that del of f of r is equals to f dash of r bar upon r. So here R raised to n is a function of r. So using the same result here. So this is n into R raised to n minus 1. Derivative of R raised to n is n into R raised to n minus 1 into r bar upon r dot r bar, this r bar as it is, plus R raised to n into del dot r bar. So this value is 3. This is equals to, now n into R raised to n minus 2 r bar dot r bar plus 3 R raised to n. This is equals to n into R raised to n minus 2. Value of r bar dot r bar is r square. Note down, the value dot product of same vector is its square. So r bar dot r bar is r square plus 3 into R raised to n. That is equals to n into R raised to n plus 3 into R raised to n. That is n plus 3 R raised to n. That is RHS. That means del dot R raised to n into r bar is equals to n plus 3 into R raised to n. That is the proof. Thank you.